Hey, how are you doing? It's Thomas here, and I just want to say that I'm really grateful and really appreciate that you like my Facebook page about empowering books, and it's great to see you here. And right now I'm actually reading 4-Hour Workweek. Really awesome book. I really will recommend it for you. But I'm not actually going to talk so much about books today because maybe you're wondering how I can be reading empowering books all the time and travel the world, enjoying life, having freedom. And it's because I'm using a really awesome marketing system online to build my business and make my income. And it's really good, and I'm really happy to share it with you. And so I recommend you to hit the link below the video here and check it out. There's a video there you can watch for free, and it's also really cheap to test it out. I think it's $7. So go ahead and do that and just check it out. It's really an awesome system. I have coaches in there 24/7 to help you out if you have any questions and if I'm not there myself. So really cool system, and so far I know nobody else in the world have built something like this. So it's really exciting and really a lot of fun to be able to be out in the nature, reading books, shooting a few videos, and just enjoying life. And at the same time, my business is building on the internet. So it's going to be really exciting to get home, and maybe I'll meet you there, and we can hang out and maybe do some cool business together. So you also have time to read some cool books and enjoy life. So I hope you get inspired and you want to check out this really cool marketing system. So hit the link below the video, and let's catch up and see you on the inside. So enjoy it, and see you soon. Bye.